Hi, my name is Naomi, and my major is Biology, Health, and Society. My favorite part about my major is that I get a foundation of biology and chemistry, and I also get the education from a social standpoint. I get to learn about women's health and men's health and sociology and different aspects of public health, which is what I'm really into. After I graduate, I either wanted to go to public health school or medical school to become a doctor. Some skills I've gained from this project are: 1, multimedia. Dissections have also helped me gain a better understanding of the human body and human anatomy. So that's going to be easier when taking anatomical courses and making me familiar with what I'm going to encounter in med school.